In this video, I'm going to show you straight from my computer screen how you can install Prox inside Adspower. Let's go inside the Adspower screen, and if you don't know how to install Adspower or don't have it installed yet, I'll leave a link here in the description to the full video on how to install it step by step in detail. This video will be exclusive to adding Prox only, okay? So if you already have a profile here, I don't recommend coming here and editing and adding Prox. You'll be logging into your profile again, okay? So you'll come here, very simply create a new profile. This will be the name of the profile. I'm just going to give you an example, okay? And this is where you'll add the Prox. Type of Prox, we always work for Facebook ads, for ads, only 5, right? The site I use for my Prox is this one. It's this panel here, okay? I'm going to leave the link here in the description of our Prox. I'm also going to leave a discount coupon just for this video here of 20%, okay? So if you subscribe with this coupon, you'll get a 20% discount, and I'm only going to leave it for a short time, okay?